Welcome to our English Flow podcast channel. Hello, listeners. Welcome back to another episode of the English Flow podcast. I am Sarah, and I am very happy to be here with you today.
And I am Mark. Hello, everyone. It is great to see you again. Today, we have a very useful topic. We are going to talk about the digital world and how to stay safe online.
Yes, this is a topic for everyone. We all use the internet every day. We use it for work, we use it to watch movies, we use it to talk to our family.
That is true. I am on my phone almost all day. I check my emails, I look at maps, and I buy things. The internet is amazing. But Sarah, is the internet always safe?
That is the big question. The internet is like a big city. There are nice places, but there are also dangerous places. We need to be careful.
Exactly. Just like you lock your house door, you need to lock your digital life. Before we discuss exactly how to do that, let's learn some important words. These words help us talk about internet safety.
The first and most important word is password. Mark, can you tell us about this word?
Sure. A password is a secret word or code. You use it to open a website, an email, or an app. It is your key. If I have your password, I can see your secrets.
That is scary. So you must keep your password safe. Do not tell anyone. Also, do not use easy passwords like 1234. That is too easy to guess.
Correct. A strong password is long and hard to guess. Our next word is private. This is the opposite of public.
Private means something is only for you. It is not for everyone to see. When you put photos on the internet, you should ask, is this public or private?
Yes. I keep my address private. I do not want strangers to know where I live. If information is private, only you and your close friends can see it.
The next word is very common. The word is link. We see this everywhere. A link is the blue text or a button on a website. When you click it, you go to a new page.
Right. You click a link to watch a video or read news. But be careful. Sometimes a bad link can send you to a dangerous place.
That brings us to our next word, scam. This is a negative word. A scam is a dishonest plan. It's a trick to steal your money or your information.
Sadly, there are many scams online. For example, you might get an email that says, "You won $1 million. Click this link."
Ugh, I hate those emails. That is definitely a scam. They just want your credit card number. If something looks too good to be true, it is probably a scam.
Exactly. So what do we do if someone bothers us or sends us scams? We use our last word, block.
To block someone means to stop them. If you block a person, they cannot send you messages. They cannot call you. They cannot see your profile.
I love the block button. If someone is rude or strange, I just block them immediately. It keeps my digital world peaceful.
So, let's review our 5 words for today. We have password, the secret key. We have private, which means keeping things hidden from the public.
We have link, the button you click to go to a new page. We have scam, a trick to steal money. And finally, block, to stop bad people from contacting you.
Perfect. Now we understand the language of online safety. We are ready to talk more about this. Is it better to be open online, or should we hide everything?
That is a difficult choice. Let's discuss the good points and the bad points in the next part.
So, Mark, let's start with the positive side. Why do we share information online? There must be good reasons.
Oh, absolutely. The biggest benefit is convenience. That means life is easier. For example, I do all my banking online. I pay my bills on my phone. I don't need to go to the bank and stand in a line.
That is very true. Online shopping is the same. You can buy clothes or food from your sofa. You just enter your address and credit card, and it arrives at your door. It saves so much time.
Yes, time is money. Another pro or good point is connection. We can stay close to people who are far away. If I post a photo of my dinner or my vacation, my family in another city can see it immediately. They feel close to me.
I agree. It is wonderful to share happy moments. It helps us find new friends too. If you like painting, you can join a painting group online. You can meet people with the same hobbies.
So the internet helps us with daily tasks and friendships. But Sarah, we have to look at the cons, the bad points. What happens when we share too much?
Well, the biggest negative point is the risk of theft. When you shop online, you give your credit card information. If the website is not safe, a hacker can steal your money.
That is a big problem. In the real world, a thief needs to physically take your wallet. In the digital world, a thief can be in another country. They can steal your information without you knowing.
Exactly. And remember the word private? When you share photos of your children or your house, that information stays on the internet forever. It is very hard to remove it. You lose your privacy.
That is scary to think about. Once you post something, you cannot easily take it back. Also, there is the problem of trust. In real life, I can see your face. I know you are Sarah. Online, people can lie.
Yes, people can pretend to be someone else. A person might say they are a prince who wants to give you money, but really, it is just a scam. It is harder to trust people when you cannot see their eyes.
Another con is distraction. The internet is designed to keep us looking at screens. Sometimes we spend hours scrolling and forget to talk to the real people in the room with us.
I am guilty of that. Sometimes I look at my phone instead of talking to my friends at dinner. It is not polite. So we have a balance to find. The internet gives us convenience and connection, but it takes away our privacy and sometimes our safety.
It seems the tool is good, but we must be the masters, not the servants. We need to be smart about how we use it.
I think that is the perfect way to say it. We need rules for ourselves.
Exactly. Speaking of rules, let's look at some real-life situations. I want to ask you what you would do in specific moments.
That sounds like a test, but I am ready. Let's move to some specific examples.
Okay, Sarah, let's play a game. I will give you a situation. You tell me, is it safe or unsafe? And tell me what you would do.
I am Nettie. What is the first situation?
Situation number 1. You are at a coffee shop. You order a nice latte. You see a network called Free Coffee Shop Wi-Fi. You want to check your bank account balance on your phone. Do you connect?
Oh, that is a tricky one. Everyone loves free Wi-Fi, but my answer is unsafe.
Why is it unsafe? It is free.
Free Wi-Fi in public places is often not private. Many people use the same network. A hacker sits in the corner drinking tea, but he's actually looking at your phone data through the network.
That is correct. So what should you do instead?
If I am at a cafe, I just read the news or watch videos. I never open my bank app or type my credit card number on public Wi-Fi. I wait until I am home on my own secure network.
Excellent advice. Situation number 2. You receive a message on social media. It is from a person you do not know. The profile photo is a very handsome man. He says, "Hello, beautiful. I want to be your friend. Please click this link to see my photos."
This screams scam. This is definitely unsafe. First, I do not know him. Second, he is sending a strange link.
Exactly. Never click links from strangers. What is your action here?
I will block him immediately. I do not reply. I do not say, "Who are you?" I just press block. It is the safest way.
Perfect score so far. Now let's talk about passwords in detail. Situation number 3. You need a new password for your email. You want to remember it easily. You choose Sarah1990. Is this good?
No, Mark, that is a terrible password. It is too simple. It has my name and a year. Hackers can guess names and dates very easily.
So give us an example of a strong password. How do you make one?
A strong password needs 3 things. 1, it needs to be long. 2, it needs numbers. 3, it needs special symbols.
Can you give us an example?
Sure. Instead of "I love coffee," I could write I_love0033 exclamation point.
Let me check that. You used an underscore symbol, you used a 0 instead of the letter O, and you used the number 3 instead of the letter E. That is much harder to guess.
Yes, and I have one more rule. Do not use the same password for everything.
That is very important. If you use the same password for your Facebook and your bank, and a hacker steals one, they have both. It's like having one key for your house and your car. If you lose the key, you lose everything.
Mark, I have a question for you now. What about updates? My phone always tells me, "Update ready, install now." I usually ignore it because I am busy. Is that okay?
Sarah, that is unsafe. You must update your phone and computer. These updates fix holes in your security.
I thought updates were just for new emojis or colors.
No, they are security guards. When companies find a problem, they send an update to fix it. If you wait, you are leaving the door open for hackers. So always click Update.
Okay, I will update my phone tonight. I promise.
Good. So we know about public Wi-Fi, strange messages, strong passwords, and updates. These are small actions, but they make a wall against danger.
It seems like a lot of work, but once you learn the habit, it is easy. It's like looking both ways before you cross the street.
Exactly. It becomes automatic. Well, we have covered a lot of information today. We should wrap this up and remind our listeners of the most important points.
Yes, let's summarize everything in the final part.
So, Sarah, we have covered a lot of ground today. Let's review the most important points for our listeners.
Good idea. First, let's remember our key words. Privacy means keeping your personal life secret. A scam is a trick to steal your money or data. And a hacker is a person who breaks into computers.
Right. And we discussed 3 main rules to stay safe. Rule number 1, passwords. Do not use 123456 or your name. Make them strong. Use capital letters, numbers, and symbols.
Rule number 2, be careful with links. If you get a message from a stranger, do not click the blue text. It might be dangerous. Just delete the message.
And rule number 3, watch out for public Wi-Fi. If you are in a cafe or airport, do not check your bank account. Wait until you are home.
And don't forget my favorite rule. Always update your phone. It closes the door to thieves.
The internet is an amazing place. We can learn English, watch movies, and talk to friends. We don't need to be afraid of it. We just need to be smart.
Exactly. Think of it like crossing the street. You look left and right first. On the internet, you just need to stop and think before you click.
Now, before we finish, we have a challenge for our listeners. We want you to do something this week to practice your English and your safety.
What is the challenge, Mark?
I want everyone to check their passwords. Go to your email or your social media account. Change your password today. Make a new, strong password using the tips we gave you.
That is a very useful challenge. Try to make a sentence like, I love English 2024. It is long, it has numbers, and it is easy to remember.
Great example. So go change one password today. You will feel much safer.
Thank you for listening to the English Flow podcast. We hope this episode helps you surf the web safely.
Keep practicing your English and stay safe online. See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.